Still there? Oh, there he is. Oh. I don't know if I'm getting him because he's so small. Oh, there he is. That was sick. Ooh, am I zoomed in? Nope, not. There we go. What did actually happen? Bang. Nice. That is a gorgeous looking shot.
Jordan the shooter. We bought it specially for him.
Fireball.
Fireball.
Yeah. He's got looking like quality stamp.
You probably can't tell on camera, but the entire storm is wrapping around the entire bend that we just went on.
Why are you so low, dude? There's a toad in the Twee.
This is a toad in the Twee. Oh, holy.
Oh my.
Ahoy! It's such a low shutter still.
Riz.
I'm gonna have to go get my big sweatshirt.
Oh.
How you doing now?
What's up, man?
Not a whole lot.
20 minutes, we probably have.
Going real fast and real left.
And real straight.
Real straight. Yeah, I figured.
None of this curves. Ain't no left turns here. We're just going drag racing.
Nick's out here ready to destroy that thing.
Drag racing.
I wish you were on my face. Physically,
Just
with your
say-
balls.
Just one huge thing of strength. We are not really efficient with our racking system here.
Like more
I think probably space the pallets out.
wood or...
I've been summoned. Apparently I need to film the mayhem.
Give me your light, though. You go fucking use a phone. Yeah, we're
And then if you have enough wire. Wow, this is crazy. God, this is so many fucking fireworks.
Is it guys? Fucked up. No, that's good. That'll keep them guessing. Go far inside, Jordan. I'm bringing in your next one right now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna grab some of this shit. Yeah.
Just empty cardboard.
Yeah.
Toss it in the back of this one so they can just go burn it.
Yeah.
You guys come to see some fireworks?
Fire out with a cake and then light some mortars.
We'll do a couple 200s, then we'll do some mortars, and then we'll do some like 500s. Ooh! Right now it's about speed. Oh my fucking God! You know I can't hear. Bang, bang, bangs. Those are some works of art.
Did he take away to light it with it?
Okay, honey, you ready?
What? Yeah.